1 mile, turn right on West Mountain Road.
Headed to my buddy Bobby's house, hopefully.
This one has the greatest sound for starting up there.
That's the engine talking, huh?
Yeah. Don't ask me why, they just do.
I think that's cool. There's the real engineer. This is my buddy Bob's layout. Going to try to do this without editing. No editing. That's a representation of Fort Ticonderoga.
Yeah. Where the cannons are on the boat. They're upstairs.
That was handmade right there. It's not quite finished. Well, all of this was Bobby's talent. Now, what's this was what, Bob? This was something that actually exists.
Yeah, it's a lot bigger, but
Yeah. You're killing me.
yeah, it's concrete cement plant in Glens Falls.
Yep, cool.
That building, mostly, this is all kind of derived, those buildings are derived from a magazine. And of course the gargoyle on top was a
And we're here. Saratoga Auto Museum. Used to be an old bottling plant. Reason I'm saying that is I looked at it and didn't know it until today.
Anyway, that's the fastest one in the world on the salt flats.
For a 312.
For that block.
For that block.
And a wide block on each side.
Yep, another three-winder, and this is the dealy wheel.
I never asked them whether I'm not right. But my impression is that they are.
That's
They're all steel, I know that.
yeah, 32 Deuce Roadster, and Well, they're all salt flat cars, I guess. They're all salt flat. Well, this one has no sign. This one has no sign. Just load it down. This is another Dennis Varian in progress. A 1934 three-window again. There you go. Nice, like a shadow box display. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Another 32. Two-door Tudor.
Never seen them. Never seen them.
The thing I was at is
The 1930 Model A. God. 34. 5-window. That's a 32 three-window, another one.
Yeah, it's phenomenal. It's now a Cornell empire over there. They've got the shop where they make the cars. They've got the repair business where there's a body shop. There's a regular auto repair business. And Casey,
32 Roadster.
son of Dwayne, has the parts salvage business. And he's got engines and transmissions on racks outside, all bubble or shrink wrapped. So Casey's doing well in his own right. But this is the side of the Cornell thing. I had not any clue that any of them, like Keith, had been out to race at the salt flats. I had no idea.
Another 32 three-window. This one with a flathead. Suicide doors. 33 three-window. back here because I took a picture. I'm posting it. 16 spark plugs, 276 cubic inches, 250 horse, 33 3-wing, 5-speed transmission.
The Speedster
Unbelievable.
windshield.
2 spark plugs per cylinder too. I did a picture, but I'm going back to.
Yeah, good job.
Can't get better than that.